In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a copy of your site on Google Sites. If you want to duplicate an existing site so you can reuse the same layout, preserve your original version, or make edits without affecting the current site, Google Sites makes that process very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. To begin, open Google Sites and go to the site you want to keep. Make sure you're on the site itself and that it's open in editing mode, because the option you need is located in the top area of the editor. Once you're there, take a quick look at the upper right section of the screen, where you normally see the Publish button. Next, click the three-dot menu beside Publish. This is the pure menu, and it contains additional actions for managing your site. If you don't immediately notice it, just look for the small vertical three dots near the top right corner. Clicking this will open a drop-down list with several options. From that menu, click Make a Copy. This tells Google Sites that you want it to create a duplicate version of the current site. This is especially useful if you want to experiment with design changes, create a template for another project, or save a backup version before making major updates. The copied site will be separate from the original, so changes you make to the copy won't affect the existing one. After selecting Make a Copy, a confirmation prompt will appear. At this point, click OK to continue. This confirms that you want Google Sites to create the duplicate. Once you do that, the system will begin generating the copy for you. Depending on the size of your site, this may take just a moment. After the copy is created, you can open it and begin making any changes you need. It's a good idea to check the copied version briefly to make sure everything transferred the way you expected, especially if your site includes multiple pages, images, or custom formatting. And that's it. You've successfully made a copy of your site on Google Sites. It's a quick and practical way to duplicate your work, create alternate versions, or keep your original site untouched while you build something new. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.